What I've got here is a LUBA 2. It's the first robot I've got around the place. Now, hopefully this is going to help me mow the lawns, or it's going to mow the lawns, so I'm just going to watch. See what we've got in here. Get those out. But presumably we start with this little box here. Maybe this has got something we need, like how to get started. Quick start guide. Perfect, that's just what we need, because we want to get started quickly. So step 1, install the vision module, install the bumper, installing the security key, installing the reference station. So I'm going to get on with that, and I will see you in just a moment. I haven't got very far yet, but I have looked inside the box, and I think this is a job for inside. Let's go inside. Right, I've left the music on. Oh, let's get this moving and see what we can see. So what we've got here are, we've got some replacement blades, and a little accessory box, 3 little accessory boxes. We'll have a look at those in a second. This is the RTK module. This is a receiver that goes on the end of that. We've got 2 poles for that. We've got the bumper bar. These are sort of the security keys. The vision module. The mower itself. This is a charging base. And here is an extension cable. Right, so we've got it all in one piece. I think it's all ready to go, but I can't do a lot more indoors, so I think we're going to take our little friend out into the garden, get the charging station installed, and see what happens next. I think the first step for this thing is to have a bit of a charge. So we'll go and see how we get on with that. Right, so what I wanted to do is get this out, get it installed, have a play with it. But unfortunately last night, there was quite a lot of this. And unfortunately, that has meant today's project is just to put it together. I'm out here in the garden ready to just install this this network cable for the access point. To the other side of this wall here is the garage, and then we're going to go through the bushes, up the top, through this wall, and then on the other side of that wall I'm going to put the access point for the mower. Pop this big jobby in. Okay, it's day number 3, and it's finally time, I think, to get this mower out. So this is where I am. I'm in the garden that I'm going to mow. It's quite a big area. Got to negotiate the trampoline, and that's about it really. But I'm going to go and get the bits and then get it set up. Let's see how this goes. Now is the moment of truth. Let's see what happens when we turn this on. So we're going to see how well this goes. Add robot. 2, start. Insert the key, done that. Install the bumper, install the vision module, install the charging station, install it. Yep, done all those things. I'm not entirely sure what's going on here. Robot's offline, go to setup. Maybe we'll move closer to it, maybe that'll help, maybe. Right, robot firmware and average, not much. Upgrade firmware.
Upgrading.
Okay, this looks like it might be a fairly slow process, so maybe come back to me in a minute. During the upgrade process, do not turn off the robot or disconnect the network, as it may lead to a failure. Good advice, I think. I won't do that intentionally. This seems to have stopped at 93%. Just a little bit annoying. Is it going to go? Alright, you can stop panicking, it's moved. It's on 97% now. I wasn't panicking, I promise. Nah, not at all. Cool as a cucumber. That's me. Ooh, there's a green tick, but I'm going to pick my phone up from under the table. Well, that sounded terrifying. Just made the noise of a blade coming down. It sounds like a guillotine. Oh, I've got another message on the phone to upgrade the firmware again. So we'll do that. Fantastic. Here we go. Well, this is exciting. Let me take you off the tripod so you can see properly what's going on. Okay, so what we're getting here is to initiate the heading calibration, control the robot forward until the status light turns ready. Can I? Oh, hang on. It's going. Okay, now it says ready. Okay, I don't know what we do now. Right, so we're going to go and start our mapping. There, okay, so we press
Task area planning. Task area complete.
What we're going to do now is going to map out the edge of this trampoline so it doesn't go around the trampoline. Let's see how we get on.
No-go zone complete.
Here, what I'm going to ask it to do now, I think, is go home, if I can, and see how it gets on with that. Return to charge is the option on my screen, so let's see what he does. Confirm. Charging station is unknown. Okay. Shall I take it there? How do I tell it where that is? You never asked me to do any of that. Or maybe I just take it to maybe I just plug it in and it works. Let's do that. Let's take him back to his home station. Not a great pilot yet. Is it a pilot? Driver? I'm not sure what we call it.
Start charging.
So, it's currently on the charging station. If I press mow, right, cutting height. Let's lower the cutting height a bit. Once only, task speed. Next.
Start working.
Here we go. Our first charge with the LUBA 2. It's got a plan anyway. It has started its job. Can we see? Yeah, we've got cuttings, so it's doing something. I've given it a very horrible piece of. It's starting in the worst part of the garden. I feel quite sorry for it, really. So here it goes. Well, I'm quite impressed so far. It's just cracking on. Right, so a couple of minutes to go. It's nearly finished. I'm just having a look around now. It's not done a bad job. It's certainly mowed. Have a look at these. I mean, have a look. You can see the stripes in the lawn. Here's our little mower. The little mower that could. Yes, you can. I don't know if I'm going to leave that in. But yeah, look at this. Look at that. Okay. It's heading home. Oh, it's had a good day out at the office. And now it's final commute home, where it will be greeted by absolutely no one. Maybe some little woodlice live next to it, and it will enjoy spending the evening with them. But thank you, LUBA 2. You did a great job. You can just see all the lines. Brilliant job. The question is, can it get on its base better than I can drive it on there? I suspect it can.
Start charging.
That was impressive. So that's about all I've got on the mower. We've installed the access point, we've done the mower, we've done its first mow, it seems fairly good. Hopefully the video was interesting. If you could hit that like and subscribe button, as everyone would say, that would be brilliant, but no offence if you don't. Right, see you on the next video. Bye.